Since I buy G-Wagon, Nigerians not rest again. Because now everything be competition for Nigeria. And I touch G-Wagon to competition for this country. If you know this only one cash, tag to this video. Because they say I know is the last comment of a fool. If to say I know before, I for listen to advice. When I buy that my G-Wagon, that time I buy 520. That G-Wagon, I say, is close to 600 million naira now. So you carry 600 million naira. You carry 600 million for a country will be say poor man picking not get hope for Nigeria because of personal interest. If I dey talk like this, man, I will not get financial ambience, not going to get my pain they come from because you not get the financial ambience when I get. Country will be say poor man picking not get hope. You carry 600 million naira, go buy car for that same country because you not care about public interest. How do we build a nation? We be saying only yourself you they think about. See this Warri refinery, they need money for that refinery to function. But at the end of the day, and Nigeria and a country will be saying that it's located in West Africa. Personal interest. If you know what's good for you, I'm giving you 24 hours. Return that car now. Return that car. Sure? Which the person will wake up for Nigeria say, person you decides, okay, I'm donating this money instead of make I buy this car, make I carry this money, give poor people. Nothing like that because of personal interest for Nigeria. Personal interest for Nigeria. Now can I be problem of Nigerians, Abi? Now can be problem of Nigerians. Even this G-Wagon of a this thing, I mean popularize G-Wagon for Nigeria. If now company will be say they get the value people by now they also will give me brand ambassador. From now till December, the way I know they look that best company in the lab. From now till December, if they not give me brand ambassador of G-Wagon, I go sue that company because at the end of the day nobody won't labor in vain. Now many people know say this G-Wagon car will be safe if you drive people they know the value. That my own son, I even hardly drive and when I advise this guy, I'm not go see the value of the advice when they give him more. That car they drink fuel. Now see car when I they say spider and I get G-Wagon, not be wisdom. I have ideas. I park that car because I not really buy because I want driver. That car I buy because now museum will be say you go keep people go call look am. They say this life would day. Not be everybody go make money. Everybody not go enter inside G-Wagon. So I buy that car so that once people want to see what G-Wagon look like, they'll feel come pay money to call look at this. I buy for business purpose. But this guy, you not buy for business purpose. And not be to buy car now. If the car spoil today, or maybe we will not pray for bad, something happen to that car. Can you buy that same car the next day? Now financial wisdom, but we're not going to understand all these things. Oh, return that car now. If you care about your future, sure. On a thought you are going to competition for Nigeria.
Like and subscribe.